Hi, my name is Anatolia. I sell part-time. Part-time. I am a full-time student, so I don't know how part-time I am. So I just resell. I buy and sell. I don't just sell whatever I have. But this video is for people that just have stuff and they want to sell it. It's not for people that go and buy. If you're a professional or if you do this full-time, I don't recommend you watch this video because this is an intro video. Okay. I have 6 items on this paper that you can't see. Number 1, pictures. How you take your pictures is so important. I will not stress this enough. I will never buy a picture. I will never buy an item that doesn't have good pictures. Like, it's common sense. Don't put the picture of the bridesmaid dress that you wore in 2006 to a wedding at night with other people. Just don't crop everyone and put yourself. No, just put it on again at home and let your mom take a picture. It's normal. But go outside in the greenery and take the picture. Just make sure it's light. Make sure it's like the background is plain and simple. Like, we don't have to go crazy, but we also can't put the picture with everyone in it and just crop them out. It's just, no. Number 2, title. Your title is the second most important thing besides the pictures. Use every single character. Say, is it new, the brand, the color, the style, the cut, anything. Put anything. Put the fabric. It's important to fill every single one because that makes it more discoverable. Number 3, description. Put everything in the description. Is it fancy? Is it casual? Is it used to go on a run? Is it used for cooking? Is it used anything? Just put it. Put where you wore it, how many years ago, fabric again, anything. Put anything in the description. You can go on any full-time Posher. So go on Instagram, my Poshmark, whatever. Go on description and see the amount of information we put. We put a lot of information. When someone looks up a listing and I have that word, they better see my listing. I want to sell as much as possible, and I won't sell if I don't have words that are discoverable. Number 4, sharing. Share your items only. It is not worth it to share other people's items. It is not worth it to not, it's going to sound rude, it's not worth it to look at other people's stuff. Share your items so that you can sell. Number 5, listing. I know you want to sell that one bridesmaid dress, but if you post another 5 items, you might sell that one because it makes your whole closet more discoverable. It's not just that one item that people would want to look at. Like, people might even want to go to your closet for a bundle. So if you list that one item, it won't be enough. List more. List 5 items a month. List 5 items in 2 months. Just keep listing so that it's more discoverable. It's more approachable. So people don't think you're a scam, or people don't think you're like not reputable. So more than one item is good. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. Don't come at my life. Okay, last one. Not the most important, and I don't really care about that one. Offers. Don't offer to the older likers. Offer to the likes that you got today. This is huge. So, for me, when I try to buy, I buy most of my stuff on Poshmark. When I try to buy stuff on Poshmark, I do not buy the stuff I liked a year ago. It's in my likes. I still like it, but I just don't buy it. I just don't buy it. It's not good for me. Like, I don't feel good, you know? So I try to buy the stuff that I liked today. Like, if I like it today, I'm gonna buy it today. So send your offers to the likes you get today, because that way they will buy it. But most likely people won't buy the stuff that they liked a year ago. that brings me to the next point. This should be number 7, but it doesn't apply to newer people, like beginners. Relisting. So relisting is huge in the reseller community. It's deleting the old listing and putting a new one of the same exact thing. It's called relisting. It puts it in the just in tab so that people that do just in, they find it and they buy it. So if you're a beginner, like, I understand you don't have to do that. Like, I don't do that often, but it helps a lot, a lot. So if that's something you want to do so that you can get newer likes, like I was saying, you can, but for beginners, I feel like it's a waste of time and it's not as beneficial as sharing and updating your pictures and description. I hope I don't see cropped pictures of bridesmaid dresses after this video. But if you do have those, I actually haven't seen any, so I'm not judging whoever's watching this. And I, like, do you. If it works for you, it works for you. Please don't come on at my life for offers or whatever I said. I'm still young. I'm still learning. I'm thinking of doing another video about why you should resell or why you should consider it. So stay tuned. I don't know if this channel is going to be a thing. I don't know if my hair is going to ever calm down. It's very muggy today. So I hope that my mom watches this and that she's proud of me, and that's all that matters.